One man's trash is another man's treasure. Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are in one of the largest wholesale market for second-hand machines. If you don't have huge money, don't worry. The days of buying very expensive machines to start your factory is over. Today, we are in the factory and we are come to show you the different types of machines they have. You can see behind me, these are used machines, but they are very new and very affordable. Very affordable. So come along with us and let's explore. So you can see this one. This is packaging. This is for packaging. This is the conveying machine. If you want to do anything about packaging, conveying, fruit juice factory, any fruit juice factory, you need this machine. This is for packaging machine as well. If you need anything about packaging, this is a good machine you need for any kind of packaging, meat, vegetables, and all those stuff. This is the machine for that. We have so many machines. So you can see packaging machines here. We have different sizes. Depending on the size you want to package, all you have to do is to contact us. Just look at all these machines. These are slightly used machines. This is a machine for cutting. It's a cutting machine. So if you're a butcher, if you want to sell meat, fresh meat, you need this kind of machine. It's very cheap as compared to buying the brand new ones. The only thing is slightly used. Just look at these packaging machines. Yes, if you want to enter into any hospitality industry, food industry, these are the machines you need. These are automatic machines for packaging. Yes, for filling, packaging, you can get any kind of machine you need here. So all you have to do is to just contact DAKS Import and Export Trading, your #1 registered trading company from China. Just tell me the dimension. Just look at the packaging. Just tell me the weight of items you want to package is 350 grams, 500. It's automatic. You don't need anybody to use them, and they are slightly used, very affordable. The prices is almost half of you buying new ones. You save money and you get the same product. These are machines not because they are faulty, but because some factories have stopped using that, so they don't need that anymore. Then in the future, when they see the factory is growing very well, they invest so much in machineries. So if you are watching this video, just contact us. What machine do you need? Just contact us with the detail or picture reference and we'll get you any of those machines. Just look at this machine here. We have this packaging. We have another packaging. If you want to package cans, anything of can, if you need the machine, look at this mini machine for packaging. So for the machines, we cannot show you all the machines. All you have to do is to contact us. This is for peanut coating. If you want to start peanut business, peanut coating, that is for that. So we have several machines here, guys. This is one of the machines for our customer. Yeah. So just contact us to get your machine. We are packaging this one. All these, we are packaging this straight to Ghana. So if you need any machine like this, just contact us. This is for a customer. So this is how we package them. This is industrial machine. This is big size, factory size production. Yes, so you can see different machines as well here. Any kind of machine you need, just contact us and we will get you that machine. Before we send this machine to you, your country, we will test it for you to see. Just look at this. This is Induction cooker. Induction cooker. If you are into the catering or restaurant industry, you need this induction cooker. It has 3 modes of energy source, whether you need gas, electricity, or firewood. So look at this induction cooker. You need this kind of machine to start your business, and this is more cheaper as compared to buying brand new one. And before we send this, we will test everything and make sure that it is working. They have mechanics who can check the machine, make sure the machine is working efficiently, so you don't have to worry about. So you can see all these machines. This is induction cooker. and these are slightly used ones. Very cool. Let me show you around too. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. My biggest dream is to see people in Africa building factories. We need to have factories because in China, everywhere you go, you see factories. So that is why life has become so easy and so better. We have to build factories in our country. We have to build factories in our country. So if you need any of these machines, just contact me. Look at this induction cooker. This big induction cooker for baking. So if you are into the bakery industry, this machine is what you need. So all these are for packaging. So all you have to do is to contact us. Any machine you need, just contact us and we'll arrange delivery for you. Any machine you need. That is why you need to contact us, DAKS Import and Export Trading. We are your #1 registered trading company. So this is the peanut coating machine I am showing you here. If you want to start like peanut coating, yes, you package it very well. All you need, get this machine. Make sure you package it very well. Have your brand name there. Get your country's FDA approve your product, and you are there to go. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. My biggest dream is to see so many factories in the continent of Africa. So just look at this area. This is a very big area where they have several machines. Several machines here, slightly used machines. You can see all these cars. These are Chinese who also want to come and get some of these machines to start their own factories. So guys, this is how far we travel. This is in one of the remote areas in China where you can get all these machines. So you can see around, yeah. So this is how the factory looks like for slightly used machines. If you have not seen the machine you like in this video, don't worry. All you have to do is to just contact me with the details of the machines you need. So look at this side. There's also several machines here. As I said, everywhere there are machines, you will be amazed about the kind of machines they have. So you can see packaging, you can see freezers, peanut coating. So this area is more about food processing, value addition to our food. So farmers, this is the time to get this machine. If you're a farmer and every time your products are getting spoiled in the farm, these are some of the machines you need to get to add value to the products. You are investing so much energy, time and everything in during farming. So guys, you have another induction cooker. You see this one, this is more of induction cooking for big industry, restaurant, chobbers. You need these kind of machines to make business so easy and so comfortable. So if you are new here, don't forget to follow us on all platforms. We are your #1 registered trading company based in China. If you need any of this, just contact us and we'll get you covered. So any machine you need, you can just contact us and we'll get you the machine you want. Induction cooker.